What is dual action knife? This side here, Hair Tech Piranha Stonewash Black. So let's see what it's about. So beautiful. This one just came out. First of all, you press the button, it's assisted. So it's kind of like automatic. Then this is a liner lock. You press it and close it, and as you can see, it's still tight. If you let go, it's still tight. But once you lock it in, look at that. We can open it without it flying out. Usually assisted knife always fly out. If it's assisted, it's always fly out. This one is not. For example, this one is assisted knife. You press it, it flies out. If you try to open it, it won't even open. So this is what single action. The dual action meaning you can both ways. Right now it's assisted a little bit, but once you lock it, it's not assisted. So you can simply open it. Versus single action, it does not open. You can open it with the button. That's it. And this one, you see, you cannot close it with the button. Versus this one, you have to close it with the button. So this is also a liner lock. Very smooth. And when you want to open it this way, no problem. And whenever you want to close it, it's actually closing it easy. Once you use the automatic part of it, it will not close easy. You see it? It's on a spring. Good luck opening it and taking it apart to figure out how it works. I'm not going to do that because it probably will be kind of hard to put it together. You see? So that's what it means, dual action knife. And look how smooth that is. Beautiful. Hair Tech. There's a burnt of it. This one is 12/20/21, so just a few days old. That's when it was made and designed, whatever. Sometimes they make them. The serial number is under 50, 41. So that's kind of cool. Got this one from Blade HQ. So nice. Check this out. Look how smooth that is. Handle right here feels like sandpaper. Kind of cool. Very nice. And it's deep enough to where it's not going to get stuck on your pocket. I don't think so anyways. So yeah, beautiful. I really like Hair Tech, Microtech's Morpheans. Yeah, they're pretty amazing. A really thick blade. Is it reversible? Probably. Looks like it's reversible. Nice clip. But yeah, there you go. That's what the dual action means. Assisted, non-assisted. And whenever it's assisted, it's not gonna lock smoothly. So unique. Very nice engineering over here.